Ulumnaga, Fiji. Welcome to the Fiji Rugby Union House in Suva. I speak to you today to remind you that that we are still receiving, are happy to receive donations from the public, donations that goes towards the finalization of the budget for the Rugby World Cup, but also to start to prepare for the 2019 World Cup. As you know, government had approved 150% tax rebate for all donations, any donation to the Rugby World Cup campaign. And if you are wanting to donate money specifically to achieve that benefit, then there's a process that you have to go through in that regard. But if you are wanting to donate just to show your support, solidarity with Fiji Rugby Union, and to support the boys who are out there in England, we'd be very happy to receive that, and also to pass on to the boys who are getting ready to play your support, your group. And if I can make a special plea to the business houses of Fiji, as you know, the stage last weekend was in front of a multi-million-dollar audience, a multi-million audience, I should say, and for some who have not heard of Fiji will be hearing about Fiji. So we are confident, and the tourism, Fiji tourism is also confident that will bring about new exposure for our country. People will be wanting to come and visit with us, sometimes do business here. So our boys are, in addition to playing rugby, are also ambassadors of our wonderful country, Fiji. So your support in making sure that the Fiji Rugby Union is successful not only in this competition, but the future is therefore very, very important. As you know, government has approved a 150% tax rebate for any donation towards the Rugby World Cup. Please take the time to have a look at that and contribute towards the Fiji Rugby Union's campaign for the World Cup.